This is a professional solder-type waterproof assembly connector designed for complex outdoor wiring environments. Its structure is precisely designed, including a shell, sealing ring, waterproof nut, and terminal, ensuring tight coordination of all parts. Featuring an IP67 protection rating, it is waterproof, dustproof, and highly durable, ready to face harsh outdoor environments. With an industrial-grade plastic shell, it is corrosion-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring long-term stability and reliability. Strip the cable, solder the wires for stable connectivity, then reassemble the nut and shell. Easy and efficient. Its compact structure ensures strong sealing, effectively preventing water ingress and loose connections. Whether it's power supplies, controllers, or LED lights, they can all be easily connected. T-type, Y-type, and other combination structures can handle complex wiring needs, easily managing multi-light control. Widely used in landscape lighting, outdoor lighting, and smart lighting projects. Plug and play, saving. Choose a professional screw-type waterproof assembly connector, making every connection simpler and more reliable. Enhance project stability and safety, starting with quality connectors.